Hey everybody, on this video got a master lock number 17 here, and this lock's been probably one of the harder master locks I've ever messed around with. Caused me to do something I never do, which is pick a lock off camera. It's beyond rare that I do that outside of work. But I was going to cut it apart and look and see what was going on. I couldn't bump it or impression the key for it or pick it or shim it, so I was ready to drill a hole in the side and see there's a coat on the side of, on the cylinder that I can run to cut a key, or just cut the rivets off and pull the cylinder out, take a look. But before I did that, I thought I would throw it in the vise and see if I can get it open, and I managed to get it open actually 3 times. And the cylinder actually will stay picked. It doesn't snap all the way back, so I was able to look in there with my scope. And I think pin 1 is maybe like a 5 or 6, and 2 is like a 4. And we're open. Just got to get it to turn here. And I was going to say is I can't even see numbers 3, 4, and 5. That's the sound of a shackle popping, folks, which is an awesome sound, even if it wasn't very loud. And see, it doesn't rotate all the way back, so you can look in there with a scope. And what I think's going on is I think it has a whole bunch of like 0s or 1s in it. But anyway, see, we're open, so we got it on camera anyway, so that's mission accomplished. Got a couple of more that I've got off camera that I need to do on camera. Maybe try the vise, because I haven't tried. This is one of them. This has been also picked 3 times, and I made a key, but cannot get it on camera. But anyway, got this master lock number 17 finally done, and that will I guess do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.